Welcome everybody to Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is a Sunday, July the 16th, and we are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It is a one box or one envelope break. Come on camera, randomed up our box numbers. I barely moved, man. You're really gonna start this now. We randomed up our box numbers, guys. Trying to get my friggin' camera to focus there. I'm sorry, guys. Hang on, let me... 34, trying to get that... It was working great all night. Now all of a sudden it's going to give me all these damn problems. Come on. There it goes. Sorry, guys. Alright, again. Box 34, we randomed up our 24 remaining envelopes, got to 34. Random teams on the right. We've already randomized teams. Customers alphabetized, everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. No offers, though. Getting a little late in the room on a Sunday, so we're just going to pop. Well, bam! Hitting really well tonight, guys. Gonna be the D. Schneider Twisted Sister framed framed 45, guys. Yep, I got CD, but it's a 45. Bam! Gonna be Boston and the Bobby Orr hockey stick, guys. So, Twisted Sister and Boston gonna take that, baby. We'll random up the free spot at the end. Well, Jay gonna take the Twisted Sister there. Wow, man, Lone Star, you really do have some good luck, man. I don't know what it is. Whoops, don't know why I wrote Boston on that. Gonna be Lone. Wow, Lone, like I said, man, you actually have some pretty damn good luck there, bud. I am very sorry, everybody else. Bobby Orr stick going to Lone Star. Jay gonna get the Twisted Sister. Give me 1 second to grab that. Alright, Jay, I'm not going to unwrap this. I'm going to be honest, it's about 3 times the size I thought it was when I bought it. I mean, you can see the size of my arm compared to this thing, bud. So, yep, it's already all wrapped up, everything. There is your SIG, though. If you do want me to unwrap it, Jay, I will. But as you can see, she's a big old frame there. You know, like I said, she's literally the length of my arm, man. I thought that thing was about half of that size when I bought it. Yeah, I was a little shocked. I think it looks really nice. I was, like I said, I was actually pretty shocked when I opened it when it came in. It came in this giant box. I was like, what the hell? Alright, and at Lone Star, you all know what the Bobby Orr hockey sticks look like, guys. Those are all wrapped up in bubble wrap as well. We pulled enough of these, guys. So Lone, I'm not gonna break that out unless you really want me to. Alright, we're gonna do our random here. We're gonna pull one of Lone Star's, one of Jay's, Alright, here we go. All right, we got an 8. We'll have to see, Jay. Let me see who keeps. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 times. Jesus, Lone Star. Lone Star is going to make the most of his 2 spots, guys. He's going to get the Bobby O stick and the repeat, man. He does really well in these combos. I don't know what it is about the combos, but he does really well in them. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby 2 Pops.